Hello, I'm County Administrator Taryn Krizda. Welcome to County Administrator's Direct Line, our video series on MCTV, where I have the opportunity to communicate directly with you about issues of interest and those which impact our community. On this edition, we'll discuss the marine industry in Martin County and a recent resolution presented to the Martin County Board requesting modifications to marine transportation routes. The marine industry has long been a vital part of Martin County's economy. With more than 22 miles of Atlantic coastline and waterfront communities along canals in the St. Lucie River, our waterways provide economic opportunities to local businesses and recreational access for residents. According to a study for the Marine Industries Association of Florida, in fiscal year 2015, the marine industry generated approximately $8.7 billion in direct output, resulting in an estimated total economy impact in Florida of $15.3 billion in output and then over 183,000 related jobs. While those numbers represent the impact throughout the entire state, Martin County is home to numerous boat builders and boat repair facilities, providing economic and recreational benefit to local residents and visitors. In 2010, the Business Development Board of Martin County, the Marine Industries Association of the Treasure Coast, and the Martin County Board of County Commissioners began developing a marine transportation route for local boat builders. At that time, the board designated an overland marine transportation route to assist boat builders with a more cost-effective means to transport boats from the manufacturing areas in the Grand Commercial Industrial Park to a launch site, providing safe and easy access. However, the existing utilities make the transport process complicated, time-consuming, and costly. Modification to the route and the additional overlay zone would mutually benefit the boat builders, repair facilities, and the county. The resolution recently adopted requests a modification to the marine transportation route to include streets between US 1 and Commerce Avenue and on the designation of an overlay zone that would prevent further intrusion of utilities between the manufacturing and repair facilities and the transportation routes. Staff outlined 3 steps for successful implementation of the marine transportation routes and the potential marine manufacturing and repair overlay zone, which includes creating regulations that stop future encroachments on the routes and within the Grand Commercial Industrial Park. Also identifying existing encroachments and developing a mitigation plan, and creating a capital improvement project detail sheet. The Marine Industries Association of the Treasure Coast and the Business Development Board shared their support of the project. After a staff presentation, the board adopted the resolution as presented. They directed staff to develop code restrictions to protect the marine manufacturing area and the marine transportation routes against any future vertical and horizontal encroachments that would impede the movement of boats from bordering properties. These code restrictions will then be presented for consideration by the Port Salerno Neighborhood Advisory Committee, the Community Redevelopment Agency, our local planning agency, and then the Board of County Commissioners. Additionally, the board directed staff to survey and prepare a prioritized list with costs of projects needed to minimize utilities conflicts and develop a list of potential funding sources such as grants from the Department of Economic Opportunity and construction grants from various sources. These will be brought before the board for consideration at a later date. You can view board meetings on our website and find lots of great information about Martin County projects at www.martin.fl.us. I'll see you next time for another edition of County Administrator's Direct Line. In the meantime, feel free to reach out to me directly at 772-288-5939. Thanks for watching.